Hello, dear students. CA Diptichheda here. I teach aspirant professional students for CA CMA exams qualified in the year 2000 and last 21 years I am into teaching accounts, taxation, costing, FM and direct taxation for final. Now this talk is last 2-3 days I have met so many students as the exams are over. How was the exam and how were the revision videos useful? Last moment doubt clearing. Where did you face the problem? Speed or recollecting or what it was? While I was discussing and I was asking them, what is your plan now? And many of them are like blank. Now, when I'm talking this already, more than 12, 13 days are over. So you had a quality good break, right? You met your friends, watched movies, slept, whatever you have missed in the exam time, that break is over. Now, when you have enrolled for a professional coaching, learning is a continuous process. So it should go on. Don't come into that trap that 3 months you have worked rigorously hard while the result was out until the exam. You have worked rigorously hard with all the coaching, with all the test series, watching the videos, learning fine. Once the exam is over until the result, on Dipti ma'am, kya CA coaching, nothing you are doing. Okay. And when I ask, so many of you are saying, ma'am, we've just started with the other group, thoda thoda sa. What is this definition of thoda thoda sa? Tell me one thing. The institute is keeping exam every 6 months. Either it is May and November, June or December, whatever. So it's keeping the exam every 6 months. Suppose you have written the exam in May and the next exam, the result will come on the 1st August and November the exam will be. Suppose there is an exam in September. Will you not write it? Tell me, you've already written one group and after 3 months you are getting a chance to write another group. Will you write or not? That's what is the mindset required. I know you must be feeling, ma'am, it's very easy to say, it's not so easy to do, but karna padega. And you can do it. When you have studied 12 hours and 14 hours for one group, whatever group you have written first, group 2 or group 1, why can't you take up the other group seriously? And put it in front of your board, notice board, goal setting, your wardrobe, your mirror, where you brush, a stick on your laptop, wherever you do your work, that your exam is there on 30th of September and you have to complete the other groups. Coaching, take the coaching if required. If you have already taken the coaching, then start your preparation 100% thoroughly. Once the result is out, you will be joining your internship if you have written inter exam, and with that you will write group 2. So little difficult. Suppose if you are in final, you're already going and see, then you students come and ask, ma'am, now results have come, whether I should go for one group, both group. So worst case, if you don't clear the exam, you can go for both the groups because another group you have studied and kept, and you have to study only revise the first group which you have written, and now group 2 you can write. Worst case. And if you clear, you will get a superb time to revise the topic, to prepare thoroughly well. Dear students, please come out of this trend, 3 months rigorously doing and 3 months. No institute, no courses, no whether it is LLB or doctor or no profession is giving you 3 months vacation. Nahi hai. Now some of you are saying, ma'am, if we have written both the groups then and waiting for result, perfectly correct time to enhance your skill. In the house, your parents, your best mentors are your parents and then your teachers. They are ready to teach, then take that knowledge actually. And when you go for your articleship, where you go for your job, there is not so much of learning and teaching and all this, that guru shishya relationship. Who knows the work? Chalo, give him and let the work be done. So just observe for yourself, where is the enhancement required in your skills? You need to learn communication skills, you need to learn dressing up skills, preparing your resume properly, acquiring more skills of tally and whatever technology, linking up the practical part, what you have studied, GST, income tax as theory, Can you link up how this is done? And if people around you are into businesses, ma'am, I am into professional studies, do go and sit in your store, retail, wholesale, whatever you are doing. You will get to know how to talk with people at higher level, at lower level, how to communicate, how to get your work done, how to work in that pressure. There is like superb life skill learnings which you have a good time right now, and you will never be able to do this with your studies. See, once the result is out, you hardly have time for all this. So make up for your hobbies, that is required. CA students are so good in other things. That's why they are able to be creative, and they are able to concentrate and do well in exams also. So number one, if you have written both the groups, then make sure that you you practice and enhance your skills in whatever way required. This is suggestion of some of the students. So we are deciding to start up some talks wherein I will invite people to help you enhance your skills. I'll definitely take this up. And those who have written group one, rose padai karo, make a super plan, institute study material, your coaching material, and past exam papers, and start putting ticks. Thoda thoda is not done. You have to study 100% as if 2 months ke baad, by the time result is coming, that is the date of your exam. And the day you are not studying, give me a message. 100-200 gram डांट खा के जाओ, right or not? Because this is a professional studies. Do your best in a proper, and when you are continuously studying, no, after the results you will be on track. Otherwise, like studying 2-3 महीने, no books, no calculators, nothing, and then you go back to your studies, you will take so much time to come back on track. 10 days will go like that only. And then that cycle, passing and failing and passing, and this is a beautiful course. So you take it not seriously but sincerely. Keep yourself on track, work hard, focus, achieve your goal. I hope you remember your goal is to add that 2 words in front of your name, CA, CMA, whatever you wish. So for that, you have to clear 8 subjects of final. For that, 8 subjects of inter, and now where you are standing. This is your goal. You need to complete it on time, because once this time goes, no, there are other things in life, yes or no? After 24, to be very frank, you all know there are other priorities, and then you need to settle, you need to start earning. So everything will get delayed. 6 months, if you become CA late, then you are losing so much of your earnings also. 6 lakh rupees lose kar loge aap, right or not? So make sure that you are focused. Okay, if you have taken the coaching, fine. If not, take online live coaching or video lectures, so that every day you are in touch with your teachers, and it's like being with mirror. Teachers will give you a mirror every day. Ye pada, ye kiya, have you done this sum? So you will be on proper track. If you need the coaching, if you have already taken, no problem. I know I have repeated few things again, but yes, zaruri hai. Break the mindset, and if I can make aware at least few of you to come out of this strategy of 3 months studying and 3 months break, then I have done a good job. Thank you so much for watching this video till end. Stay connected with this channel, so whenever I go live like this, you get all the updates and all the motivation required. And if you feel honestly I have made some alert sign with you and I have helped you, शायद थोड़ा डांट के, थोड़ा मिरर बता के, do share this video with your friends and let me know in the comment box where you are facing problem to study right now. I think it's only lack of focus and your own planning. If you focus and if you plan, कर ही सकते हैं, क्या नहीं कर सकते. If you cannot do, you would have not come to this stage also. Clearing in inter, I just met 2 of my students in the morning. They have cleared foundation, they have cleared inter, they have written final 1 group, and now they are saying they are studying thoda sa. How can you take risk at this level? Study for group 2 and finish off your course, get the degree, bye-bye, and do other good things in life. Right? Thank you so much. That's all for today to talk with you. We'll come up with more such videos to help you all. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. All the best. Stay focused.